The Vicorob Computer Vision and Robotics Research Group of the University of Girona began its activity in 1993 with 3 foundational members. Since then, the group has grown up to 50 people and has formed more than 50 PhD students. During this time, we have developed more than 100 research and tech transfer projects, contributing to the creation of 7 technological companies. The Vicorob team is organized in 3 labs. The Underwater Vision and Robotics Lab, named FIRS, has become a benchmark in Europe for the design and implementation of autonomous underwater vehicles for optoacoustic mapping and autonomous intervention. The Advanced Image Analysis Lab works in the development and application of image processing, pattern recognition, and computer vision techniques for medical imaging. The Digital Edu Lab designs learning experiences for children to foster their creativity and critical thinking, to help them to develop positive values. The team focuses on disadvantaged children from vulnerable families and communities. Vicorob focuses on the internalization in both research and education, with high-quality standards, looking for innovation with the aim of transferring the technology to the society.